Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here are the top 10 highest paid Adsense keyword for 2020 by industry or niche. Insurance, gas, electricity, loan, mortgage, attorney, lawyer, donate, conference call, degree, credit. Why do these Adsense keyword pay so much? Because the company behind the ad have a high customer value and can afford to spend a few hundred bucks to acquire a customer. It all boils down to their business economics. So how can you profit from this data and rake in thousands of dollars each month? So let's run through a hypothetical example. Number 1. You notice that insurance-related blogs will carry a high CPC. Number 2. You then research a few keywords and find that car insurance company pay definitely well. Number 3. You get to write the best article you can on car insurance companies. Number 4. With amazing on-page SEO, you are able to get your blog post high on Google ranking. Number 5. You get a good amount of high-quality organic traffic to your site and then monetize into more AdSense revenue. Which AdSense ad pay the most? In addition to picking the best niche for AdSense, you also have an option as to which ad pay show. The operation or match content in feed, in article, text and display. In my own experiment, I have found high click-through rate with native in article ad. Those ads perform the best on any of my sites. In the article ad will naturally blend with your content and display midway through your blog post. I like these tips of it because they are contextual and usually receive a good amount of clicks. Sidebar ads not as good since we are already trained to tune them out. You can also match content if you have another content you do like promote. You would like to promote. Bonus keyword, industries and niche. There are other high paying keywords that you can target in your blog post and YouTube channel. Treatment, software, classes, recovery, trading, job posting, transfer, fraud, claim. Friend, if you like my video, that I will request you please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching this video.